Hey everybody, Patrick Smith here again at the West Virginia Game Developers Expo 2017, here with Bryan Johnson of Network Innovation Solutions. How's it going, Bryan?
Good. I didn't do my little bunny foo-foo introduction this time.
You didn't do it this time. I'll do it for you. How about that?
Sweet. Now don't scoop them up and bop them on the head, because that brings down the good fairy.
Bryan and I are both former graduates of Marshall Community Technical College, and Bryan is here because last year Rod Pell from his organization, which was formerly Syntec, was here. Now Bryan is here. They still have the Heads Up line. Mm-hmm. Tell us about what's changed and what you got new and the Heads Up product line in general.
Sure, absolutely. Well, as you alluded to, last year we were Syntec Creative. This year we're Network Innovation Solutions. Reason why that happened is because it just made a lot more sense. We were partnered with them. They have a lot more enterprise level products, and we just brought everything under one roof. Mm-hmm. I did that earlier this year, so everything is Network Innovation Solutions.
Yeah.
Along with that, though, obviously we still brought the Heads Up products, which you're familiar with, Heads Up Emergency. Mm-hmm. As you can see behind us, it says Heads Up Community. That's because as of November 10th, Heads Up Emergency will become Heads Up Community.
Okay.
The reasoning and ideology behind that is because we get a lot of great adoption rates with Heads Up Emergency, far better than any other public warning and awareness system out there.
Okay.
Well, it only stands to reason that if we cater even more content to the citizens,
right,
that we'll be able to draw even more and more people in.
Okay.
So we can have them when there are emergency situations and so on and so forth. So when everything changes over, there will not only be the emergency categories, but there will also be community categories. Mm-hmm. So now cities and counties can send out notifications about events that are happening in the community, parks and recreation, youth sports, anything that has to do with the daily lives of the citizens.
I've even seen a pet one that you have as well.
Yeah, now that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pet rescue is a labor of love. We
I mean,
make zero money off of it.
Right, but it's awesome.
Oh yeah, it came from the idea that all the other Heads Up products are based on, which is instant notification.
Sure.
And where it was born from is I kept watching my Facebook feed and I saw missing dog and found cat and this and that, and, this, that, and the other, and I'm like, there's got to be a better way to do this. And
sure.
I'm like, well, there is. We already built it.
Yeah.
So what we did is we made a copy of the Heads Up Emergency code base.
Right.
Changed it for pets, and now we give logins to rescue organizations and shelters that want to participate, and so they can put their alerts out, regarding missing pets or found pets or adoptions that are available. They even do happy tales, success stories, so animals that have been adopted.
Well, I thought that's good because when you put it on Facebook, you're only reaching the Facebook audience.
That's exactly right. It's not only does it not achieve, in most cases, instant notification.
Sure.
Because sometimes it takes hours or days even to kind of see that stuff filter through your Facebook feed.
Right.
But once a Facebook post, always a Facebook post.
Right.
You can't take a Facebook post and share it to Twitter.
Twitter, yeah, exactly.
So on and so forth.
Right.
Well, with our notifications app and, with Heads Up Community, Heads Up Pet Rescue, the end user has the ability to share that information not only to their Facebook page, they can share it to their Twitter, they can share it to their Instagram, they can email it to somebody, because the alerts themselves set on a text-based or on a website-based server.
Sure.
The links are basically web pages.
Right.
So when that information is emailed or it's texted, all people have to do is hit the link and boom, they've got the same information.
It's native. Yeah, like you don't have to worry about hopping through other programs.
Right.
That's awesome. So I know you're bound to employ programmers because this doesn't create itself. So for people out there who are wondering, this is a gaming expo, this is a programming expo, what type of skills should someone be looking for if they were going to want to find a job for your company or other companies like yours?
Well, I tell you, the time is right and the time is now for people to be coders and developers, here in West Virginia. That's one of the reasons why we chose this path, is because development is a flat geography. You can create a product in Huntington, West Virginia, you can sell it anywhere in the country, and you can support it anywhere in the country with having to have boots on the ground at those particular areas. Mm-hmm. Or, an employee can work from Huntington for a company anywhere in the world. So it's a great time, and it's a great industry to be into. Best thing I can tell people to focus on are, more the mainstream front end and back end technologies. Make sure you focus on the PHPs and the JavaScripts and the Pythons. Those are the things that are in demand right now. Content management such as Drupal, things of that nature. Those are the type of technologies that not only are a lot of people using across the country and across the world right now, but they also easily transition into other technologies. So if you need to, if you learn one system that's a little more robust and advanced, then you pretty much know them all. Only thing changes is the syntax and what they can do.
So if people are interested in the Heads Up product line, where do they go to check this out?
Well, they can go to www. Did you hear me say www? Can you tell I'm from West Virginia?
Yeah.
That's actually www.
It's shorthand.
.headsupapp.io.
Headsupapp.io. Mm-hmm. Okay. Very, very cool. Well, thank you for your time, sir. Thank you for coming to the Expo. We greatly appreciate it.
Money foo-foo. And we're out.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.